Hello, and welcome to the HoudiniEsq training video on the activity dashboard. The activity dashboard is a great way to see any new activity on matters or contracts, as well as any newly created notices, events, to-dos, emails, notes, or documents. We can get to the activity dashboard by clicking on the Activity tab from the Dashboard tab section. As we click through the record types on the far left-hand side, you'll notice that the filtering and sorting options at the top of each list changes to match the record type of that list. Each of these sorting and filtering options is covered in greater detail in the Matter Dashboard video series. Notice each record shows which matter it's a part of. You can edit any of these by double-clicking the record and modifying it using the associated form. If you want to go back to the record view, just click on the Back to Matter button at the top right-hand corner. Any of the notices, events, or to-dos can be acknowledged or marked as completed by clicking on the green check mark on the far right-hand side of the list. Notice it's now gone after I clicked it. The matter, contracts, email, notes, and document records do not have that green check mark on them, so that option is not available. Finally, the date at the top left-hand corner of the activities dashboard defaults to today's date. This is lets you see any new activity for this date. It is also used to show all upcoming events for the next 5 days and any past due to-dos from this date backwards. You can change this date to see upcoming work for the next week or next month, or you can go back and see what you did last week or even further back in time. That concludes the training for the activity dashboard. Thank you for joining me.